Oh, take three, take three.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Palit na lang kayo, palit na lang. Oh, take 4 na yan. Take 4. Palit na lang kayo, palit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Take 5 na yan. Take 5 na to. Take 5.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Take 6.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Take 7. Take 8. Take 8.
Serious na yan, ha? Walang katawa, ha? Go! Happy birthday, friend! Happy birthday!
Hey, perfect. Take 9. Happy birthday, Kuya Miko and Ate Noemi. Ayos? Tingin nga. Tingin. Raisa, palabas ka dyan. Ha? Labas ka dyan. Kakanta na natin si Kuya Miko ng happy birthday. Tara na. Tapos maglalaro ka na. Maglalaro ka na dyan. Sige na. Labas ka na dyan. Maglalaro ka na. Lalaro ka na. Kanta na natin si Kuya Miko. Kanta natin siya ng happy birthday. With Ate Noemi. Oh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wish and then blow the candle. Yay! Happy birthday, Kuya Miko and Ate Noemi.
Kainin na!
Yan. Ilan taong ka na, Miko? 20? 26? Happy birthday! Walang daya yan? Walang daya?
Dito yata ba yan?
Happy birthday, Kuya Miko. O, tara na. O, maglalaro ka na, tara na. O, tara na. Tapos na yung tapos na yung birthday wish at saka blow the candle ni Kuya Miko. Tara na. Nauna na siya. Gusto na niya maglaro. Halika rito. Dito ka muna. Dito ka muna. Excited na siya maglaro. Dito ka, Liza. Halika dito. Liza. 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 Bumili muna tayo ng token para makapaglaro si Lois.